Companies spend a huge amount of energy trying to solve the wrong problem. They obsess over lead cost, they debate call center scripts, they tweak ad creative and argue about whether the market is soft or homeowners are shopping too much. But one of the most overlooked drivers of actual sales is much simpler. How fast can you get from a booked appointment to the appointment actually happening? At bathestimates.com, we found that the shorter the time between setting the appointment and running it, the better the odds of a sale. This is speed to appointment. It sounds operational, but in reality, it is a sales performance metric. For bathroom remodelers, it's one of the easiest ways to improve close rates without increasing ad spend. When a homeowner books, they are in a hot moment. They have urgency, curiosity, and discomfort with their current bathroom. They hope you can solve their problem. If you can get there tomorrow, you protect momentum. But if your next available slot is 9 days out, you are introducing friction right where it should be strongest. And friction kills deals. Homeowners don't stay in the same emotional state for long. The pain they feel today fades once life gets busy again. Delay creates risk. Reason 1. Urgency is highest when interest is fresh. Whether they're thinking of a tub-to-shower conversion or updating a wet area, that energy is strongest at the moment of inquiry. A fast appointment capitalizes on that energy. A slow appointment asks the homeowner to preserve it for days or weeks. Most simply will not. Reason 2. More time creates more opportunities for cancellation. Every extra day gives them a chance to forget, book with a competitor, or run into family conflicts. It's not just about conversion at the table, it's about preserving the appointment long enough for it to happen in the first place. A tighter timeline reduces life's interference. Reason 3. Bathroom buyers move faster than you think. They're evaluating and comparing. If you can't get in front of them fast enough, someone else will. Reason 4. Fast scheduling signals operational strength. It tells the homeowner you are responsive, organized, and serious about their business. Perception matters. One of the biggest mistakes is building your calendar around internal convenience instead of sales performance. Rigid rep schedules create a massive revenue leak. When a setter only has inflexible options, they hear, maybe next week. That is where good leads go to decay. Don't fight uphill before the rep ever gets to the home. Your setting team isn't just booking appointments, they are protecting revenue. They need to guide the homeowner toward a near-term decision and lock in a realistic time. A strong setter leads the call. They say, let's get you handled while the project is top of mind. That is leadership, and it materially affects whether appointments convert. Even the best setter needs a great confirmation team. They maintain momentum by verifying attendance and identifying wobbly appointments before a rep wastes a trip. You already paid for the marketing and generated the lead. Letting the opportunity weaken due to poor follow-up is avoidable. Convert intent into action. Start by auditing your speed to appointment. Check your sit and close rates by appointment speed bucket. If faster appointments close more often, that's your operating instruction. Focus on 3 areas. Increase scheduling flexibility, train your setters to drive near-term bookings, and treat confirmation as revenue protection. Bathroom remodeling is a momentum management game. The best companies know how to book quickly and run the appointment before the urgency fades. That edge matters. Speed to appointment, the hidden lever bathroom remodelers can pull to close more deals. Don't just ask if you need more leads. Ask if you're moving fast enough with the ones you have.